Good afternoon, everybody. We are in Mount Airy, Georgia, and we are hiking the Rhododendron Trail. It's supposed to take us all the way up to Genesita Fountain, I believe it's called. But yeah, according to all trails, it's about a 2-hour hike. And I've got Miss Maddie here with me. So this is her first official hike. Yeah, we'll see how she does here. What do you see? Huh? Waterfall down there. Alright, so apparently there's a little waterfall here right along the side of the trail here. It's kind of steep to get down there. What I'm going to do is set the camera down, take my bag off, and we'll take a walk down there. Got a little creek crossing here. This will be the first time actually doing a creek crossing. I don't think she's ever even seen one before. But we're gonna go for it, right? Huh, Miley? You ready? Come on. Come on, you got it. Come on. You got it. Come on. Alright, that was her first creek crossing there. She was a little bit scared at first, but she did it. Alright, so I see why they call it Rhododendron Trail, because this trail is completely covered up with it. But I bet it's beautiful up here when it's in bloom. So, yeah. Yeah, this is a very secluded trail. There ain't a single person out here. As you can see where we parked at, there's that one little parking spot. And you probably only fit like 2 or 3 cars there. But yeah, it's really quiet. Kind of creepy, to be honest with you. It's a really nice trail. And I just seen a pile of bear crap over there. So I hope we don't run into one. We're getting close. I think we just walk up this road here for a little bit, and then we're there. Yeah. Alright guys, we finally made it. This thing was built in 1937, and I believe it was taken out of service in 1984. And it's the only stone lookout tower in the whole state of Georgia. Pretty interesting. Not too bad of a hike. A real nice secluded hike. Nobody on the trail at all. The trail is actually very well kept. It's not overgrown. But I think I'd like to come back up here in the spring when the rhododendrons are in bloom. So yeah, we'll definitely have to do this one again. We have about 45 minutes before the sun sets here, so but yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.